Step inside, creators and dreamers, because today, we're unlocking a secret that's been quietly shaping the soul of every unforgettable home inside. It's a secret whispered through worn fabrics, aged textures, and the kind of warmth that feels like stepping into a memory. On Hamburlung Studio, we dive deeper than trends. We uncover the stories behind spaces, and today, we're exploring the vintage decorating secret that instantly transforms any room into a haven of cozy rustic vibes, all through the magic of textile art DIY. Picture running your hands across a hand-woven tapestry, or seeing sunlight spill across a repurposed piece of fabric that once lived another life. These are the details that make decorating more than design, they make it personal. And that's what Hamburlung Studio is all about. We believe every corner of your home should carry your history, your craftsmanship, and your creativity. With just a few DIY touches, even the simplest space can begin to feel like it's breathing with new character. So whether you're refreshing your living room, reinventing your kitchen, or adding soul to a forgotten nook, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking the boundaries of typical decorating and unlocking a timeless approach that turns vintage textiles into powerful design statements for your home inside. Get ready, because by the end of this video, you'll see your space with entirely new eyes. Where vintage stories welcome you home. In the heart of your home inside, the living room becomes the stage where design, nostalgia, and warmth intertwine. To create instantly cozy rustic vibes, begin by introducing vintage textile art DIY pieces, like hand-woven wall hangings, repurposed fabric panels, or patchwork tapestries from old linens. These are more than decorations, they're stories stitched into your walls. As you layer in soft knitted throws, aged leather cushions, and reclaimed wood accents, notice how the room shifts, how modern edges soften, how time feels slower, how warmth flows from corner to corner. Vintage decorating isn't about making your home look old. It's about making it feel lived in, loved, and deeply personal. Let your living room become your creative sanctuary, where every DIY decision feels like rediscovering a forgotten treasure. Handcrafted warmth in the heart of the home. Your kitchen, the bustling soul of your home inside, is the perfect space to blend practical beauty with timeless decorating charm. Start by incorporating DIY textile art into functional items. Think hand-stitched pot holders, rustic tea towel curtains, or repurposed grain sack seat covers that whisper vintage authenticity. To amplify the rustic tone, add warm metals like copper, openwood shelving, and antique jars that display your ingredients as naturally as artwork. This transforms your kitchen into a storytelling space, one where every tool, dish, and handmade piece contributes to a cozy, old-world atmosphere. You're not just decorating, you're crafting a kitchen that feels like stepping into a beloved recipe passed down through generations. A table set with rustic memories. In the dining room, your DIY decorating journey becomes an invitation for connection, conversation, and comfort. Begin by creating a textile art table runner from reclaimed fabric or vintage textiles. Layer it with mismatched handmade placemats for an intentionally imperfect, effortlessly rustic charm. Wooden dining tables look especially beautiful against soft fabric textures, creating a contrast that feels grounding and warm. Add vintage candle holders, woven baskets, and heirloom dishware to create a dining atmosphere that feels like a gathering of eras. This is where your home tells stories, with every textile choice, every imperfect stitch, and every cozy moment shared over meals. soft textures in a hard surface space. Bathrooms are often overlooked, but this is where the magic of textile art DIY reveals its subtle power. Introduce woven bath mats or handmade linen hand towels to soften the space and infuse it with vintage warmth. Opt for earthy tones and natural fibers to echo the rustic style throughout your home inside. Bring in wooden or brass accents, antique vanity mirrors, or even a DIY macrame plant hanger to create a spa-like retreat suspended in time. With just a few handcrafted pieces, your bathroom transforms from purely functional to gently nostalgic, like a quiet cabin tucked away from the world. Rustic calm beyond the walls. Step outside and let your garden become the final chapter of your vintage decorating story. Here, the rustic aesthetic thrives effortlessly. Use textile DIY projects like outdoor-friendly fabric banners, hand-sewn cushion covers for patio chairs, or a repurposed quilt-style picnic blanket that sets the tone for slow, cozy afternoons. Pair your fabric creations with aged terracotta pots, wooden crates turned into planters, and vintage lanterns to illuminate pathways. You're crafting not just a garden, but a peaceful extension of your home, a place where handmade touches blend with nature to form a timeless rustic escape. And there you have it, the enchanting world of vintage decorating, where simple DIY textile art can instantly give your home inside a warm and deeply authentic rustic vibe. We explored how handmade fabrics, reclaimed materials, and thoughtful styling can breathe life into every corner of your space, proving that decorating isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a home that feels comforting, intentional, and unmistakably you. If today's journey inspired you to reimagine your home, to stitch old memories into new creations, or to discover beauty in textures and tones you once overlooked, then you're already part of what makes Handbelung Studio special. This channel is a community built on creativity, storytelling, and the belief that anyone can transform their space with heart and imagination. Before you go, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video so we can continue exploring the worlds of DIY, decorating, and inspired living together. Drop a comment below and tell us which vintage textile idea you want to try first, and welcome to the Handbelung Studio family.